Streamers healthy, analytics. Yeah, this is cool. I see. So, let's get to work then. So, what I'm working on is this rollerball thing. The way it's supposed to work is it rolls towards the target then, right? Let's see here, it's over here. So I'm currently working on the model. So it uses physics to roll towards the target. And if it rolls past the target, it's supposed to, you know, look at that, and, like, switch direction and try to find a path back to the target. It's not really working as it should currently though, but I needed a break from making the AI, so let's go ahead and wait, I wonder if we even should be in this category now that I'm thinking of it. Maybe it's actually like creative or something. I don't know what count this is. I'm just gonna count it as gaming. Can I put Unreal Engine? Unreal Engine. No, I cannot. How to install, film and animation, entertainment, non-profits, news, politics, pets, peoples, and blogs. Jeez, there's so many. Science and technology. It's I don't know. Let's just put this as entertainment, I guess. That'll do. Let's see. What if we do something like this? But we only want to do it in this angle, maybe. We can... oh. Nah, I don't like that. We could actually probably make something like that over here, though. Like so, and then we do like that, maybe. Does that look? I think if we just go ahead and make these edges hard. But maybe, yep, I think that's a good way to do it. First, we wanna scale those. Right, we can't do that. Medium point. What happens if we scale it like that? SX0. Oh, SX9. Yeah, no. Oh lord. SX0. What's that gonna do? That does that. SY0. That does that. SX0. That is like the closest. Because we want it to align with its nearest neighbor's height. So we want those to be like what if we do, can we enable this and do X? Put it in this mode, and we want to have it snap to vertex GC. Good lord. Yeah, that doesn't work, because then I'll need to, you know, move these ones individually, and I guess, yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Actually, why am I doing it like this? This is also dumb. When what we can do is actually this. There we go, and now I can, there we go. Then I can extrude this, like so, and just scale that one in. That way we get quite neat topology, I think. And then I should be able to pick out these lines and mark those as sharp. that way. Oh, yeah, that looks pretty neat actually. Then I only need to do with this, this, and this, and mark those as sharp, like so. Neato. What if we dissolve this edge? It's way cleaner. Yeah. Because I was thinking about putting like rockets on the side that propels it forward. I'm not sure if that's a good way of doing it though, but maybe. Yeah. So what I'm thinking here is, what if we need... Yeah. I mean, that makes sense, right? Because there's going to be something rotating. Around this little guy. Let's not fuck with that one right now, though. Let's just leave that be for this moment. But I like this shape at least. Let's go ahead and throw this shape into Unreal and just see if this is something that we wanna... If this is an, you know... If this is the way that we want to keep going. We want armature and mesh. Yeah, let's just call it cylinder, that's fine. 3D. Where do we put this? We put this in meshes. Say it's a skeletal mesh. Do we? I don't think this one needs to be a skeletal mesh actually, so let's just import it. How big is this? Quite large. Yeah, that's very large. We might have to make that smaller. We could probably make this like... If we do this and do 0.5. Oof. Enable clipping. 0.5. And then we take all of this and just move it closer to the center. I'm not even sure if 0.5 is enough, because that'll still make it kind of big. Because what I want to have it do is rotate the inside, so we're gonna have to separate this later. Like this here needs to be separated, or maybe we don't yeah, no, we want to separate this. We want to have this thing here in the middle be its own shape, and we want to have some end caps that'll look cool. Either we do it with end caps or we do it with some sort of, I don't know, like... Yeah, we either do it with like end caps or we do it with... what's it called? Like some rocket propellers or something like that. Maybe we could even do some shit like... let's see here. What's the command? Like so and like so. Move this out here. Good lord. Let's say we put this here or something like that. We could maybe... You know, maybe we could do something like this. Because the way that I want this to be a like it to have. Oh yeah, we could do pipes and stuff. Hell yeah, actually. That would make it. Alright, let's say we have. Hell yeah. Let's see, how do we make curves in this again? Where's the curve? Yeah, Bezier. I don't know. So let's say we have this here, like so, and pull this one up and back, and rotate it like this. And we want to have this one rotated, like something like that, maybe. Now we want to have this one go like that. Have this one go. Yeah, okay. GX. Yeah, no. Come on. Oh, this is difficult. I can't. Jeez. How do I do this? No. Let's say we have it like that, and and now we can do it like that, and pull this one up. Actually, let's pull it over here. This one up. Pull the whole thing like back over here. We wanna make this one smaller too. There we go. And now we can actually just do like this. Actually, maybe we wanna have it go out here. Like out here, something like that. Let's pull this one up and do like so. Pull this one up a bit more. How do I add more points? Either way, we can maybe we just do like that. And how do we sweep this? I know there's something that's supposed to like sweep. Ugh, that coffee was cold. Not nice, not nice. It's not solidify. Let's take a look. Sweep. Blender sweep along curve. If only I did this in Houdini instead, this would be so much faster. Let's see. Curve properties, you can use a curve to define cross section, blah 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 blah. That's not what I want though. No. How do I get rid of this? That was a problem. That's a mistake. Blender basic sweep along curve. Here we go. Yeah, we're in edit mode. Extrude faces along normals, but that's not what I want to do. Sweeping cross section along path. But these are so long. Jeez, man. What Oh, nice. There we go. There we go. That's also a thing that I wanted to be able to do. Let's make this one smaller. This one go over here, and we can make it go over here a little bit and a little closer to here. We can then take this one, make it way, way, way smaller. Pull this one. Wait, what is its shape? Oh, it's looking very strange. Like that, yep. Better, much better. So this is the way we're gonna have exhausts kind of go then. Dude, it's pissing me off that I can't just sweep this shit. Shrink wrap, simple deform, lattice hook, curve cast, armature, generate. It would make sense, right, that we need to generate something along the curve, but that's not really what it's doing. Can I have any chat here? YouTube chat, once we're gonna... Chat will appear. What do you mean? Come on. Refresh. Fresh. It's very strange. I'm trying to, you know, see my chat, but it's not really allowing me. That's kind of annoying. Let's just put you guys down here instead. That's better. The problem is, like, because I don't know if it's picking up all the, like, how much noise it's picking up. Because it seems to me that you can't really hear the music, like, at all. Now you can. Like, here it is, yeah, a little bit. There we go. Like, now it's like minus 30 decibels. I have no idea if you can hear this, like, at all, but maybe that's fine. Maybe this is good. Hopefully this is good. I don't know though, but you'll have to let me know if it isn't. Project shape along path. Under how to extrude along a curve in Blender. That's a minute-long video mesh. Easy takes a Bezier curve and a plane. This is very strange. So, but what if I want to do it like this? Let's say we take this one and we take a circle, right? Let's make it smaller and rotate it along X 90 degree. Jeez. Rotate it along X 90. Along Y 90 degrees. There we go. We move it. We want to move it in global space. Jeez, man. And we want to have it way smaller, like that maybe. And then we move it over here, right? Let's say we do that. I don't want to see this one. Okay, what does it do now? What? What? Wait. Does it click? Why do they make it this hard? It shouldn't be this hard. There should just be triangulate. No. taper object? Circle. Can I, how do I detach this? I don't remember. Parent, I want to have it like set parent to we want to have it detached. Let's join. It's the opposite we want. Maybe mesh. Vertex view. Fuck, how do I do that? Man. Split. Selection. Separate. Selection. There we go. Take this one. And that circle. That's... Which one is the... What? Okay. This one, and we taper. Okay. Sweep profile along path. So yeah, so he creates the path. Okay, let's say we take circle, make small, something like that, and then he goes object, convert the curve, right? Yeah. And then I can go into this one, object, this one. There we go. That's exactly what we wanted. Perfect. And I can put you guys up here again so I can see everything. Yep, looks good. And then I should be able to just, you know, pull this one back and down. What am I doing? Back. We can just move it along the X2. I wanna pull this one down. Maybe. We could just move this whole thing a little further in, like that. Now the question is, do we want it? Oh, what? Factor. Yeah, that's also pretty cool. Start and end. Do we want this to taper? What? No, not like that. Stop. What did I just do? Jeez. Did this one? No, this one. There we go. Resolution EU. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, we don't want it to be like too. Generally, this looks good. Does it provide geometry on the inside, or is this just outside geometry? Let's put this to 8, maybe. I'd wonder if we could have this one sweep with different scale along the curve. If you know what I mean, like we could potentially resolution and segments, but that's not really what we're taper radius multiply taper object like fuck, I don't know, add override, like the fuck does this mean? Oh, and there it adds, and then we can do map taper. If we do multiply, it's gonna do that. Determine how effect radius, and if we override it does literally nothing. Fill caps, we want that, obviously. And that doesn't matter. So what if I do this? Copy and paste, move down. This one I don't think I need, but I can go in here and pick the same circle. Yes, sir. Or actually, that's not what I want to do. Maybe we could actually do this in a little bit of a cool way. I don't like this one. It's not turning out that good. Pull this one back here instead. Yeah, but it looks good when they're like overlapping a bit, right? But I don't know about this one. So there we go. That looks pretty good. Let's take this one, pull it back. Pull it back here. Because it's almost like a mechanic organic shape, which is very strange. I mean, it's fine, but it looks a little strange, I must admit. How do we get rid of the grid again? This one? Oh, this one, yeah. I mean, it does look pretty cool, I guess. We just need to have a few more. I'm not so sure about this one though. It really just makes it look like some fucking organs or something. Like, I don't know. Let's move it over here instead, like that maybe. Yeah, that's actually better, but I think this one can go. Yeah, this does actually look better. Like, even though it's a little strange. This looks pretty good actually. I'd like to have like a few more, maybe one going up from here and go down. Probably, yeah. So move this one up here maybe. I'd like to see how much geometry this actually is though. Because there's like... Because there might be like a bunch of geometry here. And that wouldn't be, you know, great. I like this. I do actually really like this. And then I'd like to, you know, texture this, but don't really have time for that right now. I don't have tools for that right now. I haven't purchased Substance Painter yet. I'm gonna have to get on that a little later. Let's see. And if we now... Yeah, right. Let's export this little guy. One more time. Here we go. Now we should be able to just re-import this, I think. Yeah, that's better. It's still a little large though, but... let's actually go ahead and get rid of this. Can we not set it to use some other... whatever. Let's see. That's a good size. That's good size. Yeah, I like that. So let's now hop into the roller mesh thing. And the roller AI, this little guy. Take the mesh component, set that to whatever I just imported, what was it called, like cylinder or whatever. No, it was called enemy or something. Here we go. Let's see which way. It's not rolling the right way. Bye-bye. Which way is forward in Unreal? Just get an arrow. Red is forward. Okay. Meshes, re-import. There we are. Compile. Now should be rolling towards me. Yeah. It does, however, look very funky. What the heck? It's not the mesh. I mean, it's the sphere. It's the sphere. It's this guy. Let's go ahead and pull that down and... It's not centered? No way. Collision comp. Is this not centered? What the fuck is going on? I don't think... Is the collision... No, the collider is centered. Is this one not centered? Collision comp. Let's see. Let's say this is the size we want, maybe. This one isn't centered. Set origin to geometry 2 or... Oh, hello. Let's apply. Set geometry to origin. Origin to center of mass. Geometry to origin. What? What are you doing? Origin to 3D cursor. Geometry to origin. There we go. Now we're gonna export it once more. This should be the final one. Like that. Re-import. Enemy roller. Collision comp. Where is you at, my guy? It's more like a question of how much of the floor do we want it to touch. Because we could just do like that probably. That looks really good. I love this. Yes. Hell yeah, look at him go. Look at him go. Dude, imagine some gas pipes sticking out there, and we could have the sides not roll and just have the centerpiece roll. We could have some, what's it called? Like gasoline fume, or no, like gas fumes. Gas. Yeah, that would be so cool. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah. How much is Substance again? Substance 3D Painter is the one that I need. I think it's like $30 a month. Because I don't want to have every single tool. I just want like the smaller license. That's the collection. That's not what I want. I want, let's see, if I press buy now. Oh, it's like $20 a month. That's really not close to what I thought it would be. Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to do a little calculation here. So it's like 190. How much was it? 191 times 12. How much is that? 2,292. So either I pay that over 1 year, or I pay 2,100 right now, and I have the software for a year. I'm uncertain as to which one is as to which one I should do, but hey, whatever. I'm very happy with this little guy though. There you go, boom. Because okay, if we do this, let's take a look at the roller. If we hop in here, apply radial damage. move this away here a bit. We don't want to have this thing. Okay, I see. Let's just have it do 25 damage. Because then it should eventually kill me. If it rolls through me like 4 times, because I have 100 HP currently. No? Very strange. Don't I do that in the... maybe I actually removed that when I tried to... maybe I did, fuck. That'll be really annoying if I actually did that. Let's see. Max health, take damage. That is the damage event, I think. Like that is the normal damage event, so that should be called. Quite certain. Yeah, because that's a thing we override, so that event should be triggered. Let's make sure. We log temp warning. Now it should log when I take damage. Hopefully it does. It did log. So it should say damaged 25. So I do take 25 damage. Maybe I just don't do anything when I have oh yeah, I just don't do anything, I think. That's okay. Okay. So I do actually die. That's great. I don't have to worry about that right now, because the problem we currently have is that the little guy, this guy, and he also does that thing way too much. It really shouldn't be looking like every single frame, because that's a bit too often, I think. Because right there, that makes sense. They did it correctly, because now it should like turn around snappy, because otherwise it does that, but if it rolls over there, it's gonna do snappy, yeah. So then it applies the force in the other direction, and it does a slow turn towards me, and that is how it's supposed to work, because when it turns like that, it's not snappy enough. Okay, so let's see here. It's gonna roll, and it's gonna do like a, yeah, look at that. And that's because we get the impulse right here. We do this add impulse. But for some reason it only does it in one direction and not in the other, which is very strange. Maybe I need to do angle minus equals 180. Because that way we can also get negative. So if angle is larger than 30 or angle is less than negative 30, it's a 60-degree range. Then then it's facing the wrong direction. So then it's doing some really strange stuff. Because it's like, okay, I can see what it's trying to do, because it's trying to reach me, but it can't really do it. And now here he's searching, and he found me, and he attacks. And let's set this stand over here instead. Because it's like I'm standing still and I can't really find my position. Which is a problem. Because I do the large query, which is... searches a large area, right? So let's take the little testing palm we have. And do the large search. Why are you not updating? Hello, buddy. You should be... show me the thing. Why are you not showing me the thing? That's very annoying. Single best item. Hello? Come on, what is this? This shouldn't... Yeah, no, that shouldn't do. Yeah. Why are you not showing me the thing? Large search. Find player then? Okay, what? Large search. Is large search not functioning? Path exists. Maybe I shouldn't do with path exists, maybe I should do... We do with trace. Trace to query on visibility. Trace to player context on visibility. And that one should filter. Still not doing anything. Find flying position. That one's also working. Find player, find next point. It's tracing, but it's not doing properly. What if we do this? Does it update? Nah. Player context, we don't want it to be player context, we want it to be... Oh, what did I do? We want this to be environment query. There we go, that might actually have been the problem then. Then we can take this away and we can do path finding and we put that on top. And we want to do it to player context. Right. Yeah, so now it should be like it does. That's a really large searching area. We could make it even larger. Actually, we could make it like 5,000, and just have these at like 500 increments instead. Yeah, so that's a lot of searches though. Let's put these at like 700 because we just need to get within the ballpark of the player. That's too many. 1,000. Yeah, that's better. So what is he gonna do? Yeah, so now he hasn't found me. And if I walk over here, he sees me, he rolls towards me, he rolls away, he's trying to find a path. He's found an approximate path. But it's still not, like close enough. Here he's found me again. He's trying to find a good path. Or he's trying to like roll in a good way, but he just doesn't do it. It's very bad. We don't need to have, we don't need to print it with velocity. What does it do? Oh, my neck, bro. Here he does large search, and here he does find next point, which is... Find next point do again. Checks if path exists, if there's a visibility trace. How large is this? That's a very small grid. Let's put this 1500 and put these. Yeah, that's fine actually. Let's do find next point. Did I just lag? this might be too many. Let's put this up to 200 then. Actually, we need to, when in here, we don't want to run a query here. We want to have it, if it can see the target, it needs to be a new task. Wait, what does the add force do? Yeah, it sets that, okay. So what I need to do then is I need to, when we're here, I just need it to, because it can see the player, it's that close. We just need it to BTT, we just need to chase player, which is just it shouldn't be in there though. Should be in AI. Because what I now can do is override, let's see, execute AI. How do I get that shit in here? We get the target location. Right. Because then what we want to do is actually in the set target we want to get the we want to set the blackboard value. Set blackboard value as vector. Okay. The key, we want to make this make. Actually, we want to send in a key. Blackboard key. Target. Like so, and then we get the location right, which should just be, since we're visible, it should just be get blackboard. Wait. Yeah, so what we wanted to do is, because here we only use the blackboard value, so we get the blackboard value. And so we just get the blackboard value. And if I walk over here, he sees me, he rolls. So friggin' strange hearing myself. Okay. let's see here. So what we want to do is we want to get the BTT task, set target, and this one has a key, and that key needs to be the target location, because that's what we're gonna chase. How do I get that one though? Because I wanted to... Because I need to get the controlled... Because I get that in here. And this we don't need. And I don't think target actor is necessary for this either. It's really just that we need to get the actor location, like so. Hello? There it is though. There we go. Like so, and this one we can just remove. But I'm not sure we want to do that though, maybe not. Let's take a look. What will you do, buddy? Does he chase me? Is he chasing me? Oh yeah, but it's not updating, right. So target location, I need to get the blackboard value. But that doesn't matter because I'm setting it already. Like when I'm in here, then it's updating that value. Target location, which is present here, called target location. And I set it the value as vector, and this is the blackboard, which is its own blackboard. Right. So then I should even have to do this. One would assume, right? But whatever, let's just make literal here. And we try to do it the bad way. Because this feels like I'm just repeating myself. This should not be how we're doing this. And then we do finish execution or whatever. And it's a success share or whatever. Oh. What will you do now? You'll try to do that. You can't see me. You're not updating me at all. Why though? Very, very strange. Oh wait, no. I forgot that's what we're using that for. So we do actually need to do that. We do actually need to use the update target key. Yeah, I forgot about that. I was dumb. That was stupid. Yeah, because now it finds me. It lost sight of me, but now I'm... Buddy? What are you doing? Yeah. That's the problem, it doesn't update. Because if I run the EQS, then that's gonna be a problem, because it's gonna... I mean, I could do find player probably, but... Just set the target location or whatever. What will you do then, buddy? And if I go into you here, Yeah, you're not gonna chase me. But if I do find next point and I set the target location, then you should be fine with it, right? Yeah. So now you know that you want to chase me. You're trying really, really hard to do so. Maybe if I just forego physics and try to do it by myself. Either way. Let's see. On the enemy roller, we want to do the begin play. We want to have a Niagara particle system. We want that to be an explosion, simple explosion. Play. Actually, because we don't want this to play on start. Auto activate, no. And then we can do activate. Yeah, okay, buddy, whatever. Activate, reset. No. Because it should only explode once. And we want this to Niagara finish or whatever it's called. Because I think we can do on finish. I'm done. Finish. That's not great. But we can just do this. And that's a very ugly effect. We want to have the same one the one that I made earlier. The tentacles are kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. I like the tentacles. Let's see here. So, okay. That's better. Then we go to the roller and we just now it should do that for me, or for it and all children, right? That's a problem though. Can I exclude some things? No, probably not. Because what we just want to do is this instead. Okay, let's make an on-death thing. That we can do in base enemy, and we just do virtual void on death. Definition. There we go, and that should also be a U function. Actually, we don't have to define it as a U function. And then we go in here where we have the, yep, here we go. U function. Virtual void on death, override. And we can make this a blueprint, native events. This way, generate that definition, and we just do that. Reload this. Build failed. No. Must be non-virtual. Okay, is this one virtual? It is not. How do I fix this? Add virtual specifier. Actually, maybe we could just do let's do blueprint implementable event. That's better. Blueprint native event. Unreal. What? Okay. What? Let's go ahead and if we get rid of this. So what are you gonna say? And if we do blueprint, there must be a internal use only authority, pure it's a getter blueprint. This function is designed to be overridden by blueprint, but also has to. Okay, but we can just hop in here and make this one a blueprint. New function. But I don't want it to be equals delete. What are like what? What are you doing? I don't understand. Okay, let's see. Add a pure specifier to a virtual function. No. Blueprint implementable event then. Jeez, man. What are you saying in here? No, you don't like that. I see. Okay, let's see. What are you gonna say about this? I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't like that. I wonder, do I still get that though? Do I have one death here? Okay, I do, okay. Okay, let's put it down here instead. So this is what will happen when the sphere dies. So we'll need to I haven't even given this the health, right? Do I even have that on the player? Set max health. I think it might. Yeah, okay, I have it on the player, but it's using some other things. It's just using the normal things. Okay. Right. edit defaults only. Category is stats. Max health, float health, max health. Perfect. And this one should also have the take damage thing, but I think it already does, probably. But let's see here. So we can start by setting the max health equals to, I don't know what's good for this, like 50 something. And we can put the health equals max health on the begin play. Derive the implementation of that. We should also, from the player character, get this thing. It's also very, very important. It allows it to take damage. Let's see. So if we now go in here, we should be able to pretty much just take everything. No, not from the combat component. We want it. It's in the player. In the take damage, we should just be able to do this and do that. Like for instance here, no, not on death, but here we want to check that hashtag player branch. If it does place on that location, then all of this should happen down here actually. This is like our little on death routine, and then we do death. On death. Death. How do I trigger events again? Event. We wanna send gameplay event. This function used to trigger an ability on the actor question. Trigger event. Jeez.